Today's taste test is Big's Old Bay seasoned sunflower seeds, and this is a gift from our wonderful friend Shannon. You know, it's such a blessing, honestly, to have people who know your heart, because I've seen these, and I was thinking like, oh, that sounds interesting. Like, what does it taste like? Now I'm gonna find out. Oh wow. Oh, that's so good. Wow. I honestly forgot how good Old Bay seasoning is. I remember I used to go to the States with my family, and we would get Old Bay seasoning because it wasn't available in Canada. Now it is, I'm pretty sure. Wow. Okay, you know what? I'm going to start buying it again because this is so good. It does taste like Old Bay, which pretty much goes on everything. Originally, it was for seafood, but now it's used on everything. And wow, I know I eat sunflower seeds a little bit weird. I eat the whole thing because that's where the seasoning is. But it's so good. I really like it. It's super flavorful. Really nice big sunflower seeds. Thank you, Shannon. I love it.